how to switch to drive letters under Windows 10. So I installed a program, which is this one, WinArchiver, and this one has a virtual CD drive, and that's this one, and that occupied drive letter E somehow, and I want this 2000 gigabyte hard drive to have the drive letter E, which is currently F. So first of all, let's get rid of this one. I will call this one, let's say V, because it's a virtual drive. So I have to start the program WinArchiver, okay, and go to Options, Configuration, and Virtual Drive. And here, Virtual Drive Letter Assignment, go here to Edit, and don't use the automatic but the manual one, that is set it manually to V, because it's a virtual drive, and close it with OK, and OK, yes, change it, and close the program. Okay, so that should appear, yes, it's still keeping the E also. And let's see if I can modify the hard drive from F to E. That has to be done from this PC, right click on it and go to Manage. So right click on this PC and Manage. And after that we will select Disk Management here on the left side. Okay, and here's the 2000 gigabyte drive with F drive letter. The virtual drives don't show up here, V is not present, neither E. So let's just right click on that hard drive, change drive letter and path. Okay, change. And instead of F, yes, E is available. So click OK. Yes, continue. And from F it should change to drive letter E. Yes, it did. Okay, and the hard drive is drive letter E, and the virtual CD is drive letter V. And that's it. The two drive letters were switched, and the CD drive was even modified into another one.